everyone. In this video, we're going to continue our lesson that we started the other day on counting on by 2 or more coin values. Today we're doing page 126. Yesterday you did 124 to 125. Today you're doing page 126 in your Jump Math 3.2 workbook. All right, so on page 126, they're going to present you with a few different questions as you're counting on with coins. So let's get started. What if, everybody, I'm just going to put some coins up here, and I'm just going to say I just pulled those out of my pocket. Now today, you were doing some activities where you learned how to count on with coins that have 2 or more values by looking for the coin that has the greatest value. Well, this coin has the greatest value. So now I'm going to start doing it in my head mentally. I'm going to skip count mentally in my head to find a total amount. I'm not going to write it down. I'm going to do it in my head. Okay, watch this. I'm going to say it out loud so you can hear my thinking process. 25, then I'm going to go to the next biggest coin. 35, 40, 45. My total amount is 45 cents. Okay, again, how did I do that? I looked at the coin values that were given and I looked for the greatest value coin, 25. Then I went to the next largest value, 35. And I had to count by 10 because that's a dime. So I'm at 35 and I'm going to hold that in my head. I'm going to count by 5, 40, 45 cents. So this time you're going to be doing mental math and adding up the totals that way. I'm just going to put some more coins up here. And we're going to find the total amount of these coins. And again, we're going to do it in our head. Well, how are we going to do that? What's the first thing you need to do? If you said find the largest value coin and count on by that, then you were correct. 25, 50, 75. Now I have no more quarters, so I'm going to skip count by 10. 85, 95 cents. My total value is 95 cents. Now let me show you how that works again. I'm going to put a whole bunch of different coins up here. All right, what do I have? Let's say I just threw this down on the counter. I want to know how much I have in this set. Now again, I know in my head that I need to find the largest value coin. Here's one. Here's another. So I'm going to count by 25s to start. 25, 50. Then I look at the other coins. What do I need to count by? By 10. So I'm starting at 50, 60, 75. My total is 75 cents. And I was able to do that in my head because I knew that I had to find the largest value coins first, count by that number, go to the next value coin, count by that number, and then finally go to my lowest value coin and count by that number. Okay, I'm just going to mix it up a bit and just put a few out here. Oh, I think that's too many. What do you guys think? Let's take a few out. All right, let's do these coins. I want to find my total. I'm going to leave it up there a minute, see if you can find the total yourself. Skip count in your head. Okay, now let's take a look. I'm going to start here with my largest value coin. 25, 50, 60, 70, 80. Did you guys get 80 cents? If you did, you were correct. So again, I'm doing the same thing that I did the other day, but this time I'm just not writing it down, but I'm putting it in order in my head. I'm still doing the largest coins first in my head, and then I'm counting on by the next valued coin. Okay, let's see that again. Let's see how many I grabbed this time. All right, let's see these coins. I want to find a total. I have these in my pocket. I threw them out on the table. What do I have? What do you think I have? What did you get when you total these coins? Well, let's see. I got 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 100 cents. Look at that. We got 100 cents. Now, how did we do that? We looked for the largest value coins, and did you see I skipped over a few coins here? I had to do that so that I could count my largest value coins first. Once I finished skip counting by that number, I look for my next largest coins. I skip count by that number, and then finally I skip count by my final number. I'm doing the same process, I just don't have to write it down because I'm doing it in my head. Okay, let's put a few of these up here. What do I have? All right, I'm just doing random stuff here, bringing up some coins. Again, I'm going to find my largest value coin. While I'm writing down the word total, I want you to think about what the total value of these coins is. Did you find the largest value coin? Was it this one? If you said this one, you were correct, because I'm looking at these others. Oh, that's the largest one there. 25 cents. Now I'm going to go back to the beginning. 35, 45, 55, 60, 65 cents. Did you guys get 65 cents for that one? Because if you did, you were correct. Now what I did here is I'm still reading it this way. Oh, there's my largest coin. Just so I don't get mixed up, I'm going to go back to the beginning, look for my next largest coin. There, there, and there. Then I go back to the beginning, and I find my last largest coin, actually my least value coin. Okay? All right, everybody. That's going to be how you're going to do questions 6A through E. Now, question number 7 is a bit different. It gives you some coins, and it asks you, what is the name of the coin that has the same value as the coins that are given? Wow, well, first I need to find out what is the value of these coins. Well, again, we have to add them up. 10, 25. These coins are worth 25 cents. Can you guys name a coin that is worth 25 cents? If you said a quarter, you were correct. So for question number 7, you are naming on the line the name of the coin that has the same value as the coins that are given. Your first job is to find the value of the coins, like I did. And then you're going to think, oh, what's the name of the coin that has that value? And you're going to write it on the line. Let's take a look at another example. What if I have, oh, how about that? I bet you guys can name what this totals. Well, what are you going to count by? 5, 10. That's 10 cents. Oh, wait a minute. I know there's a coin that is worth 10 cents. Did you say a dime? So on the line, I would write, a dime has the same value as those coins. Okay? So that's what your job is going to be. Take a look at the coins that are given, and on the line below, write the name of the coin that has the same value. Now you'll notice, you might think to yourself, wait a minute, I wrote the word dime, but these are nickels. Remember, you're thinking of the value of the coins. The total is 10 cents. 10 cents is called a dime, okay? So you're finding the name of the coin that has the same value as these coins. Don't get confused and just name these coins. Don't do that. What is the value of the coins? It's 10 cents. I'm going to name the coin that has 10-cent value. All right? Okay, so that's how you're going to do question 7A through D. Now, question number 8 is a little bit interesting. It asks you 2 questions. So it's going to give you just a group of coins. And again, random order. Now, it's going to ask you 2 things. Make an estimate, and then give me the actual value. Okay, so those are the 2 questions it's going to ask you on a chart. Now, when you make an estimate, you are making a best guess on what you think is the value of these coins up here. I'm seeing I have about 4 coins. I'm looking at, I've got a quarter in there. My estimate is going to be that I have about 50 cents. That's going to be my estimate. Okay, I haven't added it up yet. I have simply looked at it to see, oh, my best guess is I have about 50 cents. Now, for actual value, I'm going to actually be careful now and add it up carefully. Look for your largest value coin. 25 cents. 35, 40, 45 cents. My actual value is 45 cents. I was off by 5 cents. But when I first looked at it, I just made a quick guess of what I had based on how many coins I had. An estimate is a best guess. The actual value is where you very carefully add up the value of your coin. I actually have 45 cents. I guessed that I had 50 cents. Okay, let's try one more of those and then I'll let you get started. What if I have, oh geez, that's a lot. I'm going to make an estimate about what I have here, and then I'll add up the actual value. Okay, I'm looking at how many coins I have. I notice I have some larger coins. I'm going to say that I have about $1. I could also say 100 cents there. What is my actual value? Now, I haven't added it up yet. I have to do that now. 25 cents, 50, 75, 85, 95, 105. I actually have $1.05, or I could have written that as 105 cents. Okay, and you could have written this one as 100 cents. All right? So an estimate is your best guess when you look at the coin and you make a quick guess based on how many coins and the size of the coins and so on. The actual value is when you carefully add up the largest coins first, then go down and skip count by the next largest coin. All right? So that's how you're going to do number 8. Make an estimate, which is your best guess, and then find the actual value, and then you can see, oh, how close was I when I made my estimate. All right, everybody. The final question on that page is a word problem. Please do that one as well. You can draw a picture of your coins as you like, if you like. Bye for now.